I love that fading on the pastavi. It's almost pink. Actually, it's almost pink. It's like skin with no coloration.
Leave him alone, Apollo.
Nice job there.
He grabbed right a hold of that.
I know you pulled back real quick.
Well, yeah, because I didn't want my hand to get tangled up in there with it.
There he goes.
I'm not worried about them biting there.
So I got this figured out.
It don't hurt.
I got this figured out. You're kind of in an awkward position to eat it, though, but it's your choice.
I'm going to put these two back in there.
Okay.
Because they both ate already.
Is it a big mess in the hide, or just
a tiny little bit?
Okay, it's no big deal, because when they shed, they're going to make an even bigger mess. And I'll have to clean the whole cage out and disinfect it.
I'm sitting here trying to open glass that's already open.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot I left it. Come on, guys.
Yeah, they're filling out really good. They're definitely getting along. They just will not eat on their own.
I don't really think I need this.
Yeah, you can take all my water dishes out.
Where do you want them?
Back up there on top of Tipper's cage. Nope, Tipper's.
Oh, yeah, over here.
Yeah. This is in sideways. I think he's going to let go of it.
Last time he did that too, and he repositioned it and
Maybe.
ate it anyway.
Hopefully. Look how clean they are.
Ouch.
They're absolutely perfect in every way. I'll figure it out somehow here. Yeah, he turned.
He'll fix it.
He's smart. He's using his body to position it. Look at that fading on top of his head. The blushing, where it's so light colored. That's gorgeous.
He's like, I'm re-squeezing this until I'm sure it's dead. It's funny.
I think the pastavis are one of the prettiest species there is. Not species, genetics. Dirt. Look at that.
Yeah, that's your brother over there eating. Does that make you jealous? Yeah, he's eating. He's over there, got food, and he's like, nope, turning around.
Doesn't even want to watch him eat.
Don't even want to watch me. Not jealous. You definitely are so jealous, guy. Look, he's got food in his mouth. You don't. You sure you don't want to eat?
That's probably because he wanted to be held by you instead of eating. You've definitely spoiled him a bit. Not that they're not already spoiled anyhow, but yeah. He's doing well.
He had his tooth stuck in himself.
That's alright, they do it all the time.
He pulled the scale off.
That's okay. He'll be fine.
Oh, I know, but...
I
watched his skin pull and pop.
Yeah, you talk the size of Nosy and Grumpy that bite themselves in the back. That's real. You know, I've never seen a snake bleed where they bit themselves. Never. Not once.
Not even Nosy and Grumpy?
Nope. And you cannot see a puncture mark where they bite themselves. I find that really fascinating.
Well, he doesn't have a puncture mark, but I guarantee you he's got a scale missing.
Yeah, but Nosy and Grumpy, as big as they are, they bit themselves. Ginger and Tipper have, and it never bleeds. You never see a spot of blood, and you never see a puncture mark. And there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to, because it has to go through the scale. The bite does. But you can never see a puncture mark when they bite themselves. You're doing good there, Pastavi. Pistavi, as you call him.
Pissed offy.
Pissed offy?
Mm-hmm.
That was it. You did good today. His eyes are hazy too, Carl.
Grab it. Got it. Alright. Alright. Relax.
He's trying to kill it. That's what he's doing. I'm going to kill that thing.
It's already dead, you dummy.
They don't know that. See, we don't know that.
Doesn't mean I'm not going to pick on them.
I know. Aren't they beautiful, though? I just wish they'd learn to eat independently.
Good luck.
When I can get the addition up, finally, I'm going to set that other enclosure up, and all four are going in there, but they're going to be divided off, so each one has its own half of the cage. Get the papers out of that other one, that small MPI over there at 34 inch. And then each one of these will have their own section of the two cages. Maybe they will become more independent. I start them off together like this as babies so they are social with each other, so they're less likely to be defensive. There is a system to my madness. And it works every time.
You're gonna bite yourself.
No, she's not. These guys are looking. Look at them. So we're ready to eat. I think this one will do too, Carla.
He bit himself. Did you see that?
Yeah, he knows he did. They do it. Nosy and Grumpy do it too. Size doesn't matter.
Oh no, I'm just saying it was funny. He bit himself and he like freaked for a second.
They know. They let go. They're in beautiful shape, beautiful condition. They just refuse to approach food on their own.
They'll get there.
Oh, I know why he jumped, because I touched his tail with my hand under the camera. Beautiful pink mouth. They're very healthy.
He's got lots of orange in him.
Yeah. Actually, his mouth is red. It's not even pink.
The two of them have really red insides of the mouth.
Yeah, it's where their teeth lines are. His eyes are kind of hazy looking. He might be going to shed. See him being my usual difficult self, undoubtedly. Yeah, their colors are changing drastically.
Meow.
They don't show up good without the flash, though.
Meow. They're gonna eat it.
Oh, this one's the one I love with the darks on it. The real black.
Does that help at all?
Little bit, very little.
Well, my shadow's still there too right now.
But this one's got those super darks on it that I love. Yeah, it's better. I love the deep dark colors on this one. So I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, you are.
Should start off with a small one for this one, see if he'd do it. See, they just want nothing to do with striking food.
Nope.
Which amazes me.
My right hand hasn't been working.
Because they eat
very
really
well.
good. They're just afraid of... They're afraid of their dinner.
Nom?
Pretty basically, that's what it comes down to. They won't strike it. They back away from it.
Nom. Calm down, buddy.
Do this again.
Yeah, he's the one that's difficult when he doesn't want to eat. He's like...
Rebellious.
Nope, I'm going to flail everywhere. I'm going to flap my jaw open and close. I'm going to bite you in the finger. I'm going to spit it in your lap.
And I'm going to wrap my tail around you and musk you.
Come on. What are you doing, buddy? There. Come on. You got this.
I love his darks. It's just gorgeous.
You got this.
They know how to constrict. See if you got it figured out this time. So we're not assist feeding technically. It's my daughter that's working with them with me. She's doing all the work. I'm just taught her how to do it. But we're not really assist feeding. We're just getting the nose into the mouth, and they go from there. Nope, he let it go.
Over the place.
Anybody that thinks it doesn't take patience and dedication to work with baby ball pythons is sadly mistaken.
I challenge you.
Yep. It gets to a point where it's a rivalry. It's either going to be my way or your way, and it's probably going to be my way because you can't give up on them.
Thankfully,
really
their
can't.
teeth are small because I've been bitten more times than I can count. He's fixing his jaw.
Put your face back on right. What's wrong with you?
Hey.
You got luck, Joe?
I'm going to try this one more time, and then I'm going to just assume that you're not hungry
He's
right
chubby.
now.
He might not be hungry.
Yeah. One more try. And if you don't want it, we'll put you away. Come on. Nom. He's not even opening his mouth anymore. He's like, nope. But it's stuck to his tooth now.
Drag it around. No, he let go.
There you go. He didn't have the right insurance information. And they were giving me a hard time about it.
See? All that fighting, you just ignore him and leave him alone. He's going, well, nobody's going to try to take it away from me, so I may as well eat it. Snake logic. And he's tearing that thing up, too. Look at him. He's chowing it right down. And they're fuzzies. It's so cool how they move their jaws independently when they're chewing. Well, they're not technically chewing, they're walking it down, but it's really cool how they do it. I'd like to see a human go through life without appendages and accomplish what these guys do. This one's prowling still. You want another one? You can't be hungry still. I don't have a snake in my house that's head shy. Sitting here thinking back on Brian visiting with them. Not a one of them were head shy toward him.
I'm sorry? Yeah. I think it's because she got transferred from foster cares, Medicaid,
Look how beautiful you are.
so she
Look how beautiful you are.
for her health insurance, I'm not sure.
They grow so fast
Because
once
it's been covered
they
without
kick in
problem.
and start maturing. Beautiful. Brian was looking at Sunny, my lemon pastel ball python, and he pointed out to me her patterns and colors down by her tail are markers for a pied. So he said, you need to breed her, and he said, I'm real sure she's got some pied genetics in her. And so I'm going to have to get her and Tipper breeding next year, because he's a normal. See what I can get from him.